careful. Hey, he's gonna kill us.
Try to pick him up. Pick him up. Mom! Pick him up. Pick him up.
You don't know. Are you crazy?
I want to touch him.
Pick him up.
Get your ass over there. Freaking turtle. Are you filming?
Yes. Oh, his mouth is open.
Oh, I gotta do it if he gets out of the car. Get him. Get him out from under my car. Is he getting? Yeah. How can he? Is he out?
No, he's going
Is
towards.
he under my wheels?
No, he's going towards the back. We probably should go before.